right, boys. We got some packages. What do we have here? And there you go. See that? That's right. That's right. I've been waiting for this stuff for like 2 weeks. So let's get this stuff open, see what's in here, and we'll continue. Oh yeah. I don't know if you can see that or not, but I have been so excited to try this, and I cannot wait to use it. Some wheel cleaner. I've got 2 bottles because I know that I'm probably going to go through it pretty quick, especially if I like it. This one, I got some bug cleaner. I have been purposefully running out of the stuff that I have because I knew that I wanted to try this. I've heard great things about it, and I cannot wait to give it a shot. So that came in the Adams box. In the Chemical Guys box, you'll see, I can't even remember everything I ordered. It's like Christmas Day, guys. Look at this. Okay. I got some lightning fast. This is an upholstery and carpet cleaner. I have seen the videos on their Instagram page, and I cannot believe the difference that this stuff makes. So I decided to go ahead and try this, and we're going to see how it works. I have a feeling it's going to work pretty darn good. I got some of this Nonsense Invisible Super Cleaner. It's great for interior stuff, some exterior stuff. A lot of plastic panels and stuff like that is going to work great on. I've seen the videos on the Instagram page once again. I've seen it work. I know it works well. I'm going to try it for myself, and I'll be the judge. But got some of that. Their leather cleaner I've seen great things about, so I'm going to give it a try too. Next, we have all different kinds of brushes. I've been using the crap out of my brushes that I have currently, and it was time to get some new ones, so I decided to go ahead and go with them because they have a massive variety of different kinds of brushes for different applications. Here is a wheel brush. This is a tire brush. I've been needing both of these for a while, and I'm so glad that I finally ordered some. I cannot wait to use them. This is actually an upholstery and carpet brush that goes on your drill, so it makes the job go 10 times faster. I've seen them used, and I cannot believe the difference. So I went ahead and ordered one of these, and I cannot wait to try it. I have a feeling I'm going to love it. These are some horsehair brushes for interior stuff that I cannot wait to use. I am currently using some smaller detail brushes, and it takes so much time because I have to go in little circles to get everything clean on a panel, and these are going to cover so much more surface area. I cannot wait to get going with these and save some time. I went ahead and got some bigger bottles and sprayers because I know that eventually I'm probably going to be getting some of these products in bulk and use them quite a bit. So I went ahead and got some bigger bottles so I can get them labeled and get them hung up and be able to not have to worry about a small bottle running out so quick. So I went ahead and got those. I got this brush here I've needed for a while. This will actually clean between the spokes of your wheels up into the inside dish of the wheel. I have a smaller brush that I'm using now, and when I use it, my arm gets completely covered in crap because I don't have a long enough brush to get all the way back there. So finally I have one. Can't wait to use that. I got some exterior smaller detail brushes. These are good for doing around your lug nuts and your engine bay type stuff, or getting around small places on the exterior. These are my new interior brushes. I've been needing some of these as well. I've been wearing mine out just because I knew that I was going to be ordering some new ones. 3 different sizes. That's going to be great for me because I deal with all kinds of different things. So these are going to be great for getting around buttons and steering wheel components and all kinds of different things, vents and all kinds of stuff. So these are going to be great for that, and I cannot wait to use them. Now, with that said, I've got everything. I think I've got everything open. Yeah, that's everything. So I'm going to go ahead and get all this stuff put away and get it where I want it, and then we'll continue with the video for today. And boom, all done and put away. Now I can officially say good morning, guys. Welcome to the channel. I'm Travis, aka the Brass Tack, and I am a professional automotive detailer. I have over 15 years of experience. I am here to help educate you on your car cleaning journey. Along the way, I'm going to teach you some tips, tricks, and hacks to make the job go much quicker, much easier, much more efficient. And the best thing is that most of the things I'm going to teach you guys can be done from the comfort of your own home or own garage. So with all that said, let's get started with today's video. Today, we're going to be talking about windows. Have you ever cleaned a window in your car, or all the windows, and pulled it out in the sun and realized that there are so many streaks that it looks dirtier actually than it did before you cleaned it? Okay, today I'm gonna teach you a hack that I have known for a long time, but a lot of people don't. So I'm gonna first start out with the 3 things that you're going to need to clean your window, okay? Number 1, your glass cleaner of choice. Mine happens to be Meguiar's Professional Choice. You can pretty much use any glass cleaner. Honestly, they're not all the same, but they're pretty darn close. I just happen to use this one because I can get it in bulk and it's a darn good glass cleaner for me to use. You also need your glass cleaning rag. This is a microfiber glass cleaning rag. You can pretty much find something like this at any auto parts store or even Walmart, for crying out loud. I get them through my Carbrite guy, but you can get them pretty much anywhere. So you definitely need those 2 things to clean your windows. And this is pretty much what most people use, period. And that's all they use. But today I'm actually gonna teach you a little hack that I learned a long time ago from an old man that I used to work with. And that is this guy right here. And this is actually just an old chamois. That's all it is. It's just a chamois. But what he taught me all those years ago has saved so much time and so much frustration over the years that it is unbelievable. So now I'm going to get over to the window of the vehicle that we're going to be working on today, and I'm going to teach you how to use these 3 things properly. Okay guys, we are set up for the cleaning of this window. First thing we're going to do is we're going to shine a light on the window. It appears clean, but then when you shine the light, you can see there are some streaks on there. That's on the inside of the window. The outside of the window has already been cleaned, just for the purpose of doing this video. So you can see there are some streaks on the window. So we are going to go ahead and clean the window, and then we're going to shine the light back on it, and I'll show you the difference. All right guys, we are set up and ready to go. Now obviously you can't see the streaks now because I don't have the light on it, but I'll shine it after I'm done and you'll see that it's been completely clear. Now, first thing you do is you take your glass cleaner of choice and just go ahead and spray it on the window. And here we go with our little hack. This is the chamois. Now the theory here is that when you wipe your chamois on the window, most of the dirt is going to end up on your chamois, and then all you do after that is basically dry it with the glass cleaning rag. So most of your dirt actually ends up on the chamois and not on the rag that you're finished drying it with. So basically, when you wring out your chamois, all the dirt just goes on the floor or wherever and not back on your window because you're wiping it with a dirty rag. So we're going to start by just wiping the window with the chamois, getting all areas wiped. Go to the other side of the chamois just for good measure. And all areas, put the chamois down, grab your glass cleaning rag, and basically at this point you're just giving it a finish dry and a wipe over to get the excess moisture off the window. Already I can see a huge difference. And there you have it. That's pretty much it. I mean, it is as simple as that. I mean, no extra wiping. You're basically using 2 rags instead of 1, but one of the rags is a chamois. Most of the dirt ends up on the chamois instead of on the rag that you're wiping all your other windows with. That's how you end up with streaks. So now I will come back here and I will put this stuff down, grab the light, and as you can see, we've got a streak-free, nice, clean window. It's as simple as that, guys. I got plenty more hacks to show you, but that's just one of the many. And I'm telling you, it saves so much time because you're not going back over your windows and back over your windows and back over your windows to get the streaks off. It is one shot and done. So there you go on the windows. Look at that, boys. A nice streak-free, clean shine with just a chamois. That's all it takes, guys. I have so many more of these tips, tricks, and hacks to share with you guys, so please stick around. If you found this video helpful, useful, or entertaining in any way, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up down below. While you're at it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a thing, and it helps the YouTube algorithm tremendously so that my videos don't just go floating around in YouTube space getting unseen. I would absolutely appreciate it. If you think other people are gonna find my videos useful, please share it and let's help get the word out that I'm here to help you guys clean your cars. Thanks again, guys. Have a great night.